So why would somebody want to get their crawl space encapsulated? Well, there's a few reasons. Primarily here in the South, you're dealing with humidity, and if your crawl space is open to the exterior like ours was, then all that humidity from outside is gonna come inside, it's gonna go into your living space, and I was fighting humidity all the time. In fact, last summer, even with our air conditioner running, we were seeing humidity levels inside the house above 70%. That is not good. At that point, you've got to be concerned about mold and mildew growth, not only in the crawl space, but also in the remainder of the home as well. And 70% humidity is not that comfortable, even with your air conditioner churning. The other big concern there then is going to be air quality. Before we had this crawl space encapsulated, I would not want to stand down here and shoot a video. It was pretty nasty, but now that it has been all cleaned up and encapsulated, it's much better. The air quality is a lot better. And then of course, with that air quality issues, you may be dealing with musty smells. Certainly in our basement, we had multiple dehumidifiers running. Now my house has part crawl space, part basement, and so those two are closely connected, and with our crawl space being open, the basement had major moisture issues as well, and I was constantly running dehumidifiers. The other fun thing we had in the crawl space was snakes. We had multiple black snakes that like to get in here, and the good news is we didn't have any mice when we had the black snakes, so a lot of times when they were in here, I would have to get them to scurry out. We actually had one in our garage, which I got on video fairly recently, one of the joys of living in South Carolina. But it's better than having rodents, so I'll take the black snakes. Okay, so what did they do when I hired this company to encapsulate? First thing they do is they try to clean up any debris that is in the crawl space, and the primary thing that they're going to do is they're going to put this 15 mil poly over all of the floor, over all of your wall surfaces, and they're going to tape any seams. Another thing that this company did was spray an anti-fungal solution on all of the boards, all of the insulation, all of the walls to get any sort of mold that had already been growing and developing taken care of. And then they sealed up the vents. So our vents used to be open to the outside air, which is I think where the black snakes were coming in. They sealed all those up. And then lastly, they installed a large dehumidifier. And that is really going to be the champion of this effort. Certainly the 15 mil poly is going to keep any moisture from coming up from the ground. This crawl space actually had bare earth, and it had some old tarps that had been put down probably about 50 years ago when this house was built in the 70s. But now with this poly fully going over not just the ground, but then up to the walls, all being sealed, that's going to keep that moisture from coming up from the earth or in through the walls, especially if you get a rainy season where the ground is really wet. All that moisture is going to end up in the crawl space. Okay, so how much did this cost? Well, to get this crawl space fully encapsulated and my dehumidifier installed, I paid $4,400. Now that may actually not seem too bad, and that part of that is because my basement is really only a third crawl space. So this crawl space is probably a little under 1,000 square feet, but still I think that number of 4,400 is pretty good considering the dehumidifier that they installed. If you were just to go buy that on Amazon today, that's gonna run you about $1,500. And then you're gonna need an electrician to run the wiring to the dehumidifier and get a new breaker installed for that. So I actually thought for the full encapsulation plus the dehumidifier and getting all that installed with the electrician for $4,400, I actually thought that was pretty good. Now let's talk about that dehumidifier. It is an Aprilaire model E070. It's a dehumidifier with condensation pump. The beauty here is the dehumidifier can run constantly. You don't have to change a bucket. It is going to pump all that moisture directly out of the crawl space. And the maintenance on it is actually pretty reasonable. You got to check that filter every 6 months. You have to clean that out. And they have a few other things that you can do on that dehumidifier. It also comes with an app. You can Bluetooth to your phone and get on that app, and you can check the status of the dehumidifier. You can change what level you want that to run at, and it'll also give you maintenance reminders for what you have to do. So I think that's pretty handy. It's good that you don't have to crawl into the crawl space every month to change that filter, but you do have to do it a couple times a year, or hire the company that encapsulated your crawl space to come do that for you. Now, if you're interested in taking a look at this dehumidifier or any of the humidity sensors that I've been using, I will link to those in the description. So do I think it was worth it to encapsulate the crawl space? Well, now that we're into the summer and it's extremely humid again, one of the things that I am noticing is that our humidity levels in the house have dropped by about 15%. Now, I bought little humidity monitors that I had placed around the house before when we were having dehumidity problems. And like I said, I was seeing 70% in the basement with dehumidifiers constantly running. I was seeing 70% upstairs with the dehumidifiers and with our air conditioning running. And now with the Crawlspace Encapsulated and the dehumidifier in here, keeping it at about 50%, we're seeing a 15% reduction in humidity throughout the rest of our home. And the dehumidifiers that I have put in our basement aren't constantly running like they were before. So we were seeing all that humidity from the crawl space really push into the rest of the house. So keeping this nice and dry, keeping it at 50% has made a huge difference in the air quality, the humidity level, and just in general how the home feels. Now, do I think, is this something that you could DIY? Well, I do think you could DIY it with a few friends. It is going to be a lot of work. The company that did this, they had about 2 guys and they cranked it out in about 7 hours, but they know what they're doing. They put all the poly in here. They had cut it up. They had sealed it up quite quickly. They did go around my HVAC ducts and they got those sealed up really tight. I thought that was pretty impressive. And then they were able to install that dehumidifier, all of that in a day. So for them, pretty good day. They're making $4,400 minus the cost of their equipment in a day. For me, it was nice. I stuck to my day job. They got all this done and I just wrote a check. If you like the idea of a dry crawl space, would you like this video? Now, I'm planning a long-term review of this Crawlspace encapsulation in about 1.5 years. So we'll check in next summer, especially to see how it did over the winter. So be sure to subscribe if you want to see that. Let me know in the comments, are you fighting humidity in your crawl space? What issues are you hoping to remediate by getting a Crawlspace encapsulation? Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.